Good morning, ma'am. Any good editorials to read today?
Definitely, there's a very important article in The Hindu's opinion section today. So come, let's have a look. The article is Rethinking UGC's New Equity Regulations. Now, let us talk about the background first. What is UGC and what did it exactly do? UGC is University Grants Commission and it makes rules for colleges and universities in India. Now, in January 2026, UGC brought new equity rules. Alright, and in these equity rules, the goal was to stop discrimination in universities based on caste, gender, religion, etc., and ensure quick justice. Now, this exactly sounds good, right? But the article says the problem isn't how these rules work. Now, what do the new rules say? Let us understand that first. See, complaints must be taken very fast. Universities must finish inquiries quickly. If they don't, UGC can punish the institution. The special equity committees are given power to handle complaints. But why are people worried? Now, the article highlights four major concerns. First, speed over fairness. Now, when you talk about speed, justice needs careful listening, not just speed. Okay, fast decisions without clarity can lead to wrong punishment. Famous line from the article is, "Justice that moves quickly but unclearly destroys trust." This has been mentioned here. Okay, now second is the vague definitions. Now, words like discrimination are not clearly defined. This can lead to misuse, fear among teachers, confusion in campuses. Third, it has too much power, little clarity. Now, when UGC does not decide guilt itself, but it pressurizes universities with funding cuts and penalties. The result is universities act out of fear, not justice. Then the fourth is the compliance theater. Now, universities focus on paperwork, showing they followed rules, avoiding risk. Instead of real conversation, feedbacks, or learning, teachers stop honest discussions, education suffers. Now, there are multiple dimensions of this article. The first dimension is the social dimension. Under this, marginalized groups do not need protection, but badly designed rules may create backlash, hurting the same cause. Then there is an administrative dimension, over centralization, fear-driven governance, lack of procedural clarity. Then there is a legal dimension to this. Natural justice requires fair hearing, clear rules, proportionate punishment. These regulations may weaken due process. Then there is an educational dimension. Now, what does this article suggest? See, justice in universities should be slow when needed, careful and clear. Equity is important, but badly designed urgency can harm trust. Rules must be revisited with humility and dialogue. Now, let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this topic. It is highly relevant for prelims, UGC equity in higher education, governance of educational institutions for mains, GS paper 2 and GS paper 4, social justice versus due process, ethics in governance, institutional accountability, centralization versus autonomy. And for essay also, this article becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.